Solution. Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss solution, the second chapter of class 12th chemistry. Solution. What is solution? Solution क्या होता है? तो आप लिखेंगे solution is the homogeneous mixture of two substances. It is a homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous means uniform composition. Uniform composition. जैसे मान लो कि if you take in a beaker if you will take some amount of water and mixed with NaCl with water, you will find there will be uniform composition throughout the mixture. There will be uniform. You will test the saltiness, and each and every part of this glass you will find the same intensity of saltiness. So this is called the uniform composition. Now in solution you will learn there are two components. One is solute and other is solvent. Solute generally present in lesser amount. And solvent are present in larger amount. The important thing is that the phase of the solution must be similar to the solvent. Phase of solution की जो अवस्था होगी सॉल्वेंट जिस नेचर का होगा उसी नेचर का सॉल्यूशन होगा. तो ये हो गया सॉल्यूट और सॉल्वेंट के बीच में डिफरेंस. अब मान लो आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछे कि चूज द सॉल्वेंट एंड सॉल्यूट इन द फॉलोइंग मिक्सचर. चूज द सॉल्वेंट एंड सॉल्यूट इन द फॉलोइंग मिक्सचर. दो मिक्सचर, एक मिक्सचर है जिसमें सॉल्यूट और सॉल्वेंट को आइडेंटिफाई करना. पहला है ब्राइन सॉल्यूशन. दूसरा है क्रिस्टलाइन कॉपर सल्फेट. एंड द थर्ड इज एक्वस सॉल्यूशन ऑफ CuSO4 5H2O. And fourth is the equimolar solution of water and ethanol. Come to the answer of these all questions. Brine solution. In aqueous solution of NaCl, water used as a solvent. So water is a solvent, and NaCl acts like a solute. Now another is the crystalline copper sulfate 5H2O. It is the crystalline form of copper sulfate. Here copper sulfate is a solvent, and water act as a solute, because phase of the solution is in the crystalline form copper sulfate solid state. So water act as a solute while copper sulfate act as a solvent. Third is the aqueous solution of in aqueous solution always water act as a solvent. Acts as solvent. And 1 mole, another question is the 1 mole equimolar solution of water and ethanol. So coming to the next part, equimolar solution of water, equimolar solution of water and ethanol. So take 1 mole water and 1 mole ethanol. 1 mole ethanol. It is C2H5OH and it is H2O. Here it will be 18 gram. 1 into 2 plus 16, that means 18 gram water, and in ethanol 24 to 12 into 2 24 plus 5 plus 1 6 plus 16 46 gram. Which will be in larger amount? Larger amounts will be the ethanol. So ethanol act as a solvent and water act as a solute. Okay, now I think you have cleared these all differences between solute and solvent and identified what is solute and solvent. Next topic will be types of solution. उसके पहले आप ये याद ज़रूर रखें कि वक्त जैसा भी हो, वो इसकी एक आदत बहुत अच्छी है, जैसा भी हो गुजर जाता है। कामयाब इंसान खुश रहे या न रहे, खुश रहने वाला इंसान ज़रूर कामयाब हो जाता है। आई थिंक यू ऑल हैव क्लियर्ड the differences between solute and solvent. Next topic will be types of solution, which will be discussed in next class. Thank you.